Hi there. My name is Thijs Vandenberg. And I am in the Geography 335 class with Professor Davis. Why is the invasive vine, Merremai Peltata, a concern for the Vatthe Conservation Area in Vanuatu? Vanuatu's largest conservation area, Vatthe, covers about 2,300 hectares, stretching from the coast from north of Matantas to the Jordan River and inland to the top of a 400-meter high limestone scarp. It is Vanuatu's only extensive lowland alluvial and limestone forest and is on a list for World Heritage nomination. But this area is under threat from Merremai Peltata. This invasive vine, bigleaf, otherwise known as Merremai Peltata, kills many of the tall canopy trees in the forest. A full 92% of this protected area has been invaded. Cyclones brought bigleaf to the Vatthe Conservation Area. This vine is particularly aggressive in areas that are disturbed naturally or through the cultivation of crops. The invasive vine is found primarily in the South Pacific and is described by the University of Manoa at Hawaii as Merremai Peltata is a climbing vine that produces white flowers and large heart-shaped leaves 8 to 25 centimeters wide. It grows very quickly, covering open areas in cultivated lands and the native forest. This vine produces clusters of white or rarely yellow, funnel-shaped, shallowly five-lobed flowers and dry, papery, oval-shaped capsules up to 2.5 centimeters, 1 inch long, containing 1 to 4 furry seeds. This vine grows to the lengths of 20 meters or 65 feet or more. The impact. Bigleaf grows under and over large canopy trees, strangling all other species. This has a large impact on native flora and fauna. Its economic impact is that it has been associated with vectors causing taro blight in Samoa, according to the Global Invasive Species Database. The solution. The Royal Forest and Bird Protection Society of New Zealand, Forest and Bird, has been working with the Vatthe Conservation Area owners in Vanuatu and have developed a successful method of controlling the invasive vine, bigleaf. Effective control is possible in the remaining 800 hectares surrounding a core area of 200 hectares, which is free of big leaf. The project involves hand cutting and herbicide methods. This project was sponsored by Forest and Bird, New Zealand Quakers, and the Pacific Development Trust. Another method being used is that Vatt landowners and surrounding villagers are now injecting Weedmaster into the large stems and cutting all the smaller stems as they climb into the canopy. It is hoped that this will reduce the density of vine to a level where the landowners can control it in the future by regular cycles of hand cutting in 800 acres that surround a core vine-free 200-hectare area. In conclusion, cyclones brought the destructive big leaf vine, Merremai Peltata, to Vanuatu's largest conservation area, and this invasive vine destroyed a majority of the forests. Forest and Bird and other organizations focus now on the operational control of the vine and monitoring the impacts and attempt to control it through continuous herbicide applications.